How to place your first bet with Caesars Sportsbook. If you wish to place your first bet with Caesars Sportsbook application, it is very simple. First of all, launch the Caesars Sportsbook app, and then you have to log into your account by tapping the profile icon from the top right, entering your email and password and tapping on login. Then after you are logged in, you have to simply deposit funds to your account. And once you make sure that you have deposited the funds to your account, you have to come back to the home tab on Sportsbook and choose a sport or an event that you wish to place your first bet on. Once you choose a sport or event, you can see different type of betting types. So you can use a same game parlay method, or you can use the normal method that you can use. Then from there, you can simply tap on the odds of your chosen selection. Once you tap the odds, then after that you can go ahead and then add it to your basically one of your odds, and then you can go ahead and then add it to your bet slip, and then you can place your bet. Now, a bonus tip is that if you're claiming a welcome bonus, ensure your first bet meets the promotional requirements, and you can track your first bet under your bet status under this bets option right here. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.